In this video, we're going to show you how to install the blower motor resistor on your Ford 500 located underneath the passenger side dashboard. Now underneath the passenger side of the dashboard, you're going to find this plastic cover right here. On the left hand side, there's a plastic push pin. We're going to use our trim tool. Go on in there, and we're just going to pop that out. On the right hand side, just going to grab this trim panel, gently tug it out, and you're going to find another plastic push button right there. I'm going to remove that cover altogether, set that aside. Now on the back side right here, we have an electrical connector, and on the bottom is a little spring clip. We want to press in on that and then pull that connector off. Now on either side of the resistor itself, there's going to be two 8mm screws. When you use our 1/4" ratchet and socket and loosen and remove those bolts. You might have to pull this carpet down a little bit just to get your ratchet in there a little bit easier. So there's one of these screws there. Let's go ahead and get the one on the other side. Now on the left hand side screw here, it's kind of tight to get your socket and ratchet in there. So we're just going to use an 8mm wrench. If you have a gear wrench, it'll make things a lot faster. But we're just going to go ahead and loosen this screw, remove it, and then we'll go ahead and pull that resistor down and out. At this point here, we can reach up and grab that screw, finish unthreading that, and get that out. Then we can go ahead and grab that resistor. Gonna have to pull that carpet down a little bit. And work the resistor down and out. Pull the carpet down, take your new resistor, feed that back up inside. I'm going to try getting the screws started by hand. That'll just hold it in place. And then we can go ahead and snug those down. And when you're tightening these down, you just want to make sure that those screws are snug. They don't have to be overly tight. Just want to make sure that they're bottomed out. And when we're done, I want to make sure that this is all the way up and that this foam seal is sealed between the resistor and the box itself. All right, once you feel that screw bottom out, just give it a little bit more. And then come back over to this one here with the wrench. Just snug that. You can see that the seal is complete all the way across. Fully seated. Now we can just take our connector here, line that up, push it on. You hear it and feel it snap into place. I'm going to install our cover underneath. We're going to insert this underneath the passenger side kick panel here. What I'm going to do is take our plastic push pin and I'm going to install this on the left hand side first. Just line that up and push that button in. We'll go ahead and repeat for the passenger side button over here. Once it's in, just push your plastic trim back into place. Make sure your carpet is fully seated all around. You're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.